Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now taking a little fun ride in our 1991 Toyota Land Cruiser with a very unique white exterior and a black interior. As you can see, has two front seats, multiple seats in the back, as well as that nice little room back there. This makes a perfect off-road vehicle. As you can see, she sits very high, tires are very big, can handle the mud. Very cool fact about this car is that it reads in kilometers. As it says off the speedometer there, it says 161,000. Got the touchscreen radio there, nice blowing cold AC. The 5-speed manual seems to be shifting very well. Very smooth. Very smooth, very smooth. As for the brakes, we can give it a little bit of a brake test now since we're coming to a stop. Ooh.
Works good.
Very good brakes. Very good turn radius. Very fun, very safe vehicle to drive. Definitely one I'd take out to the hills. They can make a good camping car too, wouldn't you say?
Very cool.
Yep. As for now, we're gonna get turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned.